Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Ketenat Kekot Kekia ke Jela ke Dr. Ampareen Dingdo habakran halor ke Jingja ke Badang Sujashan halor ke Jingklat no ikalong ibalaka Ganesh Das Hospital bar ke Jing Dukut no uternya ubala sakut hakamet jong kolong kami ke bakai de ikalong kamdan kanu ke Jingja ke Badai na ke Jingleh Authority na ke doktor ni ke nurse jong ke hospital ke Dr. Ampareen kalai thu ya kani ha ki bahi yang hasam ke belawan bani kendo ya ka kalau angru bakamat ban Siew kum ke bailut Ksan kan day Tang Lada ka don ke Jingleh Thurmur da ka Kynhun Sumar. Ka menteri ketenat ka kwat ka kya kalau ang baga ka ba kilala ban yaram ya kalong kumi ba dei kalong kilale henry ka basngosi kalong ba kiladu no I kalong. Kat kum ke Jingleh thu jongka ini kalong ide ikun basau jong kani kalong kumi. Ka menteri kalau ang ba kani kalong kumi kayo ye ikun baningkong da ka bapuj ba ikun baar ba di balai kilaklat no kumbalong ini kun basau. Kementeri kalaya turu bak jing toket halor kini ke jingja kalaya lingba ketenan.
Ngide ban kan mau ba barok ngi mede kita ki doktor ki ba sungtu ya ka jing don kam hakapor ba ka ya ki kelung la ne por ba ki pen ka kelung ye ki kme ngi kum ka government hi ngi sngau ba ka banding kong ka bangi ban le ban long ba ai ya ki kme but iki kun ban saka ya kata ka opportunity bakin remain healthy bakin long ki bakot ki bakya but bakin yo ya ka fair chance to life te ka ka baja Ganesh Das man hakani kam dei ka jingja ka ba kani ka procedure ka dei tang na ka benta ini we brio ini we kme kadai ka rukom pen ka khon ka baju ka ba ki jule barabor tambakum baka julong hi 1 out of 100 times kija kum kini kichincha but she said baka Ganesh Das kayo iba kamdon ya kata ka facility ban pet ba ya ita ikme on penmi wood na kata ka jingma te kiju pa refer no yaki shaka higher facility but kilale ya kata na pa no i diagrams hakabaki don kita ki machines ki balapan yarap wood ini kimi tambah ka bandingkong ka baka Ganesh Das kalale kalong kapan sange ya kata ka jing du snam ju te kimi kata kalong ban make sure ba the mother survives ikimi tikilale ya kata ban ngada sngusi shisha balado no ya ka jing im jung ibi kalong henry nginya chakmat da kata ka jing don shania ha ki hospital la jong nakapor sa kapor ngiyo I baladadja inu I jingja I batang kandet ru ka jude hi ka jinglien ban condemn ya ka facility la jong to have faith in your own systems. This is your system. Ganesh Das is your hospital. Yes, Ganesh Das will perform better if we had additional medical infrastructure facilities. But Negrims is not far away and mother was saved. Situation is well understood by the medical practitioners. We are just citizens. We don't understand why a needle broke. But this is a procedure which may well likely happen even in other circumstances. So I am happy to at least inform that I have been briefed that the mother is doing well. Unfortunately, we lost the child who anyways had a very difficult birth. Child did not cry as soon as the child was born, and unfortunately resuscitation happened, but child still had a lot of problems with his respiratory disorders and other disorders. I will go and I will express my sense of deep loss to the parent themselves, and I look forward that situations like this should not happen, and we are going to be improving our facilities to ensure that these errors, if at all an error occurred, does not happen. I have also insisted on an inquiry at the level of the MI, and I hope that the MI will take this incident seriously and will ensure that the patient party, and the people at large feel a sense of reassurance that it was something that has happened. We regret. We will ensure that henceforth these kinds of situations do not occur again.
The family side, they have requested or urged upon the government if some kind of an action could be taken against people who are there on duty, plus compensation to the family.
See, an inquiry has already been initiated. I am not in a position to talk about the compensation because from my understanding of the loss of this little baby was a procedure, a natural procedure of loss. There was no malpractice involved. There was no error in the strict sense by a doctor or a medical practitioner, could be a nurse or somebody. Whatever help that could have been given to the mother and the child, both of them has been given. Unfortunately, we lost the child, but at least the mother is in good hands, and I will personally be going tomorrow morning to visit this mother to ensure that everything is in order. I cannot promise anything beyond that, and I only know that the MHIS facility is available. Mother should have also received all dues as per procedure. This child is the fourth child. Mother had a first child through cesarean sector. Mother had a second child who didn't make it. Mother had a third child, I think, who also didn't make it. Now the fourth child, I'm also being informed, did not make it. So there seems to be a bigger thing that is now being considered and studied. I am not an expert. I will go by what my officers have said happened and occurred, and an inquiry was already conducted at the level of the MI. So if there is no satisfaction to this, then we will study it at a later part. But at this point of time, this is what I need to say to clarify that compensations will only be followed if there has been a gross lapse of responsibility by the medical team. I will further review this matter, but as of today, this is the information I have at hand, and I can only go by what I have at hand. And I regret the loss of the child, but the child was in already distress. Child had to be resuscitated, did not cry. There were inherently some problems which do not appear as malpractice. So we go by that at this point.